In this video, I'll show you how to record a journey session using the accessFlow Chrome extension. Journeys are used to audit important user flows to understand the complete journey, like adding an item to cart. Journeys are also used to audit elements not automatically checked, such as those requiring user interaction. Add your journeys to include them in accessFlow audits. The recorded journeys are executed during the regular audit process, and accessibility issues are evaluated at each step. The results are displayed in the Journeys page. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just starting out, creating journeys manually can be a time-consuming process. The accessFlow browser extension simplifies the process. Let's get started. Installing the accessFlow recording extension is quick and easy. Just follow these steps. Go to Audits in the top menu of accessFlow, then select Journeys in the side panel. Select Record Journey. On the next page, select Install Extension. A new tab opens. Select Add to Chrome. In the following window, select Add Extension. Great! Now that you've successfully installed the extension, let's move on to recording your journey session. Go to Audits and then select Journeys. Select Record Journey. Enter the initial web path and page where you would like to begin recording your actions. For example, you can enter Login if you want to start at the login page. Select Confirm. The initial web page will open in a new tab. Perform the actions you want to record on the page. You can also add a wait time between actions by selecting the +10 sec button on the toolbar. This is useful, for example, if the site has to wait for user input. As you perform the actions, the accessFlow extension captures each action and the elements they are acted upon. Once you've completed your actions, select End Recording. Now it's time to review the actions you've created. You can customize the recorded journey as follows. Under Action Name, enter a name for this journey, such as Sign Up. If you notice any missing steps, you can manually add them by selecting Add Step. If you want to delete a step, simply select the X icon next to it. Select Save and Validate. accessFlow checks that all the steps are valid. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a journey session. Your journey will be executed during the next audit. With accessFlow, recording journeys is as easy as a few clicks. Happy optimizing!